Window Awning. Installation instructions. Before starting the installation, please read the product technical and operational manual, the installation instructions provided with the system, as well as the motor and control manual, and follow the recommendations contained therein. Note: when installing an electrical-powered awning, before the installation, prepare correct electrical wiring, or prepare correctly a place to feed them in the future. Tools required for installation: level, impact driver, impact drill, hex key, screwdriver, wrench, meter stick, pencil. First step: check if the system is complete and compliant with the order. Measure the correct spacing of mounting holders. The extreme holders should be located 10 to 15 centimeters from the edge of the cassette. Mark with a pencil the places on the wall where mounting holes will be drilled. Drill holes for wall plugs. Match their length and type to the type of the surface. Set the wall plugs appropriately to the used anchoring method. When carrying out this operation, follow the manufacturer's instructions. Position the holders against the wall and tighten gently. Check the position of the holders in the vertical plane and in relation to each other. If it is correct, then tighten the holders. Place the awning cassette on the wall holders. Insert the mounting plate into the mounting groove of the cassette and the holder, and then secure with a screw. Repeat the operation for each holder. Once the cassette has been correctly installed, determine the place of installation of the arms using the presented drawing. Drill holes and set the wall plugs at the indicated points. Screw the fixing screws in the top mounting holes in the wall. Hang the arms of the awning on the pre-prepared bolts and verify if the position of the arms allows to make a correct connection with the awning bar. If yes, tighten all mounting bolts of the arms, making sure the arms are in the vertical position and in parallel to each other. Tighten the upper part of the arms to the bar of the awning bottom bar. At this stage of the installation, connect the electrical controls and the power supply as detailed in the drive installation manual. Once the installation has been completed, check the operation of the system. To do this, unwind and wind the awning completely a few times.